hello. So I feel like it's been a hot second, honestly. Um, sorry. Okay, so lately the pollen count has actually been really, really low where I am. And it's been just high enough for me to feel something, but not, like, I'm getting all of the itching and none of the sneezing, which sucks. So I decided, well, I was going to the library to work, honestly. And I was like, hey, what do they have at the library? A bunch of dusty books. So I decided to take a page out of Clark Kent's book, which absolutely is a pun, and like do the flick in my face thing. Except it didn't work because the books were spotless, like finger swipe spotless, even on books that I really wouldn't expect anyone to have picked up in a while, like a complete guide of mushrooms, like just a whole book about all these mushrooms. I don't know, maybe people are after that shit, but whatever. Like old Western books and stuff like that, like there was nothing. And so I called that a wash. But then I was like, hey, you know who else has books that might actually be dusty? Oh yeah, Barnes & Noble. So I went there, and sure enough, jackpot. And it's actually affecting my voice more than anything else, but I definitely do feel something. So I pulled over, and I'm now in a parking lot that I hope is secluded enough. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, waiting for that. Oh. So if anyone wants to know what you do with Barnes & Noble, is that you act casual, and then take your finger and do, like with the back of your knuckle, a finger swipe. Oh, well, a finger swipe along the shelf, and then pick up a book that looks good. It's Barnes & Noble, so they probably all look good. And then just kind of like be like, you know, like put your hand to your face, like you're like holding your chin or whatever, as you read the back of the book, like you're really deeply pondering this book. But a sneeze. Ew. Ew. Whoa. And then you are able to, hold on, I'm getting a paper towel because I'm literally just spraying all over my legs and it's gross. Well, it's gross to me. And yeah, and so you'll be able to inhale the dust without anybody knowing what you're doing. And as you can hear, if dust bothers you, whoa, it'll work. And I've needed this so bad. Oh my god, this feels delicious. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa. So they've actually been like dry, like as far as mess, until just that one right there. Ew. To give you an idea of like how stuffed up I've been lately, and not like not like stuffed up like, I don't know, my nose has just been really dry in the allergy way, like other people with okay, hold on, oh my god. Sorry, I just had to like attack my face with the paper towel. This is effective, and this is something that can be done at my leisure. Well, I guess during business hours, but still. But I can find dust anywhere, and so this works because, okay, so I wanted to have my allergy testing redone, so that I can like easily find something. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze soon. Like, in all the time that I've been making videos, I don't think I've ever really induced with flowers, except for those crepe myrtles. But I want to try, like, inducing with, like, regular old flowers. I'm gonna sneeze, fuck. Whoa! I needed that. So yeah, I want to try inducing with like a regular old bouquet of flowers. Well, whoa. Well, that's honestly clearing me out pretty well, I will admit. Whoa. There you go. And I'm sure the Barnes & Noble employees will appreciate all the shelves that I dusted for them. I had my camera on the whole time just in case I got something like in the store. But for me, dust is definitely a delayed allergy. Honestly, a lot of my allergies are pretty delayed. Like it's more common than not that I will have, like, that I will be exposed to an allergen and not react until at least 30 minutes later, if not a couple hours. So like what'll usually happen is that I'll be like let's say it's moving day, and I'll be, moving all day. Like, this won't really hit me until like evening, nighttime. And then once it hits. So I do need to be careful with inducing with dust and stuff like this, because I need to remember that just because it's not doing something right now doesn't mean that it's not doing something, and maybe I should chill before I, like, I don't know. So yeah, whew. I'm gonna sneeze soon, I can feel it. Yeah, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh shit. Oh. I'm not done. I'm gonna sneeze again. Okay, I promise I'm gonna stop talking about it for the people who, like, either don't want to or aren't able to, but I will say just a reminder, on my Buy Me a Coffee page, we have our lingerie video coming up this week. So if you would like to see something like this in lingerie, you know where to go. I have the links on my kind of everywhere, all over my YouTube and in some comments and stuff. feel like it's kind of slowing down, maybe. I serious, I'm about to sneeze again anyways. Wow, that's tickly. Whoa. And again, I'm gonna sneeze again. Okay, now they're getting musty. Gross. Ew. Oh, my eyes are just like streaming and have been this whole time. And that's why I pulled over. That's why I pulled over. Because I could feel that I was about to be in a right state. I don't know if this is gross to some people or hot to some people, but I'm looking at the paper towel and I am getting the dust out, so that's kind of weird. Not what I'm used to seeing. I'm not even done either. It's still there. That's powerful. That's good shit. Yep. See, we're gonna go again. Fuck, I have to sneeze. Again. Whoa, these are going everywhere. Fuck. Whoa, and again. Jesus. Wow. Okay. My nose does not like that. These are rough. These are like these are like rocking me. Whew. Who needs Chinky, am I right? Holy shit. I have to sneeze again. See, this is how I am with the dust. It just keeps going and going and going. Oh, gross. If y'all heard the air there, it's because I'm hitching. Oh, I have to sneeze. Fuck. It's teasing me. Shit. Oh, Jesus. I have more. Shit. Whoa. Holy shit. Wow. Okay. Oh, it still itches. Like, badly. I am probably going to stop this soon, though, because there is a special person in my life now. Not that there wasn't before, but my wife and I are both, oh god, it's actually hitting my asthma a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that, but my wife and I are both poly. And we were kind of both poly, like, in theory, because we really didn't think that we would ever find someone, like, that we meshed with. Who we meshed with, I'm sorry. That's grammatically incorrect. Wow, that's effective. If you ever want to, like, fake call in sick, not that I would ever do that, because honestly, the guilt would eat me alive, even though I know that, like, corporate America doesn't care about me, like, still. What was I saying? I forgot. Oh yeah. So, special person. So, we always thought that, like, we would just never find anybody. And then we found somebody, and I was like, well, looky here. So I'm probably gonna go get on call with them, because they are in the community, and so, like, if this is going to be happening to me, like, they might as well not miss it, you know what I mean? I do think I have a few more in here for you guys, though. I'm starting to sound absolutely ridiculous. I think I'll just, like, wait out for the next round, because I can feel it. It's building. Jesus. Jesus, that tickles. It's, like, making me cough because it tickles. Well, and also just because my chest is pissed off. Oh god. Oh god. It's teasing like hell. God, that's annoying. There it is, I think. I hope, God. Ew, whoa, fucking shit. Alright, I'm gonna cap it here.